Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. This is Christmas card series number 2. I use Penny Black Winter Illumination stamp set. I love this set because it's so pretty and I can feel Christmas just by looking at these images. Here I already went ahead and stamped these two images on Strathmore watercolor paper with VersaFine Onyx black ink. I will use my Daniel Smith and Zig markers to color them. I will use Grumbacher acrylic paint for the snow. I add a pea size of white paint in a small dish, add a tiny bit of water, and flick the paint on the colored panels. I also forget to show you that I added some clear stickles on the snow and on the ground. I used paintbrush this time to get a little bit bigger falling snow on my panels. On my first Christmas card series video, I used toothbrush to get a very tiny snowflakes. After the panels are dry, I'm going to die cut them with Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Rectangle. This paper pad is from Target. My friend Cheryl sent this to me a few years ago, and I will use the patterns from the paper pad for my mat today. I decided to color the edges of the panels with Salvaged Patina Distress Oxide ink. So I'm just going to add the color on the edges using my brush. I made 4 cards today. I will turn 2 cards into light up cards and the other 2 will be non-dimensional cards. I will add a small piece of vellum on the back of my panels, but you don't have to do this part if you want your light to be bright. And then I will build my battery holder and foil tape. This circuit is very simple because I'm just using one LED light. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below with all the supplies that I use in these cards. I made sure my light is working before I adhere the panels on my card bases. I stamp press here so the recipient know where to press to see the light. I added foam tape on the back of the panels. Then I will adhere my mat on my A2 size card base. These light up cards, you can change the battery when you pull the piece of paper hanging off the lower right side of the cards. For the inside of the cards, I use Sentiment from Mama Elephant, Christmas wishes stamp set. And then I stamped that with VersaFine Onyx black ink in the middle inside the card. And here are my cards today. Like I said, I made two non-dimensional cards and two light up cards. I hope you like today's cards as much as I do. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.